Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn algebra in an easy way. First, focus on understanding what variables represent in mathematical expressions. Next, ensure you have a strong grasp of basic arithmetic, especially with positive and negative numbers. Finally, familiarize yourself with the order of operations, often remembered by PEMDAS or BODMAS, to correctly solve problems. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building more complex algebraic skills. Once you have the basics down, practice combining like terms to simplify algebraic expressions efficiently. Then, move on to solving one-step and two-step linear equations, which are fundamental to algebra. It's also important to understand how to distribute a number into parentheses, as this skill is used frequently. These steps will significantly boost your problem-solving abilities. Now, challenge yourself by solving equations where variables appear on both sides. Next, introduce yourself to inequalities, learning how to solve them and graph their solutions on a number line. Finally, start exploring systems of linear equations, which involve finding solutions that satisfy two or more equations simultaneously. These topics will broaden your algebraic understanding considerably. To truly master algebra, consistent practice is absolutely essential. Dedicate time daily to work through a variety of problems, reinforcing what you've learned. Don't hesitate to use online resources, educational videos, or textbooks for extra examples and explanations. If you encounter difficulties, always seek help from a teacher or tutor. Persistence will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.